If you told me I had to eat one thing for breakfast every day for the rest of my life, it would be this. This is my version of the egg white bites. I love those from Starbucks, but they're expensive and I can make them at home. You can make them at home, they're super easy. So you're gonna spray with an olive oil spray your little muffin tins. To buy the egg whites that are already done for you, because like, what am I gonna do with 12 egg yolks? You know what I'm saying? This is just easier. I'm into easy, that's my thing. So I buy these kind of pre-made packs. This one is mushroom, onion, and asparagus. They're washed. Then I just have to go in and give them a chop. Next up, like a nice hearty scoop of cottage cheese. Also gonna do a little pinch of Colby Jack, like not a lot, like a handful. Salt, pepper, baby splash of Worcestershire. And I like to add Tabasco. Did you know Tabasco is really one of the only sugar-free hot sauces? Beat that up. And we fill those cups, not all the way, half to 3/4. I gave myself a bouncy Dyson blowout while I was waiting for these guys. I put them in for 18 minutes, 400.